I'm Kelly Frey, and I'm an associate partner. So a typical education elements workshop typically feels like there's some type of spark or energy to get people a strong understanding of why are we here today. At Education Elements, we're firm believers that we need to make connections before content. And so that spark is where it allows us to make that connection for people before delivering new content. And so that's really where we start our conversations. And then we oftentimes lead into exploration. So giving people the opportunity to think outside of the box and be creative about their problem and how can we solve for that problem. We want to give that time within our conversation or our workshops for adults to engage in a safe space and practice what they're going to implement when they go back to their district or school. And practice can look like many different forms. It could be working one-on-one with a team, our team. It could be thinking about a problem in practice with other school leaders within that district and really thinking about what is my problem in practice I'm going to try. And we encourage the practice to not only happen within that time together, but also how do we continue to practice throughout our conversations, whether that's the next day or the next week. That normally takes us into the opportunity for some collaboration and planning time. Because we've got the power of everyone in the room, we want to use that time to think about what do the next few weeks and months look like as an organization, and really be thoughtful about the deliberate actions each person's going to take. We've realized that time is an issue for many school districts and even just as an individual, so we need to give that time and space for people to be reflective of what's their plan in the next couple weeks, and then how can we as a team hold each other accountable for those plans. So that's really what plan looks like in our organization, which then leads us into our conversations when we do follow up, whether that's on-site or virtual. We're able to look at those plans and say, are we on track to where we thought we would be?